Greetings everyone, this is Antoine from Chamber of Heart Photography, and today we're going to look at a setup I did for a maternity shoot with Chaleak. Alright, so as my main light, I use a Flashpoint AD200 with a 48-inch softbox and an almost 45-degree angle. I use another 48-inch softbox feathered towards the background. Reason being is that I want the teal background to be bright. That same softbox will also fill in some shadows on Chaleak. Here's some GoPro footage I had attached to my camera for some behind the scenes shots. Perfect. Count of 3, I want you to drop it, alright? Right near the fan. Alright, so get your pose ready. There you go. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so for this shot, we used a fan that was off camera to get the flowers to blow in the shot. Alright, turn up a little bit. Yeah. Nice. So for the above angle shots, I had a softbox near the top right of Chaleak, another softbox bottom left, and a reflector top left to fill in some shadows. I'm gonna try to do these more and more because I like doing these behind the scenes shots. Usually because I don't never have any behind the scenes shots. So subscribe, like my channel, like me on Facebook, Instagram, all that good stuff, and tune in for some more.